Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can store past broadcasts in Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just want to be in Twitch. Then just go right top corner to your name. Now click settings. In settings, you want to click channel and videos, or you can go to channel and videos through here, I think. So channel and videos, and right here you will be in preferences and channel, and you're gonna see here store past broadcasts. Automatically save broadcasts up to 14 days. 60 days for partner, turbo and prime users. So yeah, store past broadcasts. And this is pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask in our down below in comments. And yeah. Goodbye.